And remember, what's the rule about touching animals? She's having lunch. Oh, here comes a big one. He just pushed the log right out of his way. Look at that. There's a really big guy.
There's another one?
There's two small ones and one big one. Ha!
Are they gonna be for you?
Oh, be careful. You don't know what they can eat. If you put the wrong leaf in there, they might get sick.
Do they eat these kind of things?
Oh, he's going into the log.
Which one's going on the log?
The big one.
The big one is going on the log?
Under. Oh, there's two big ones. Oh, there's two ones right here. Two.
Oh.
Look at that. Now, what was Susan's rule about touching the animals?
I forget.
What did she tell you to do with the finger?
On the shell.
Well, before you touch, what was the thing you do with your finger?
I don't know. Oh, right.
With the one finger? Yeah, that's right. That's right. Where's the other
Why
one?
do you have to do that?
Well, if you do more than one finger, you might be too hard. People that work with animals all the time know exactly how hard to push them.